with that, let's go ahead and close out this. And I'm going to go back to the batch jobs. I'm going to generate another email for this supplier, 4319. And I'm going to show some OCR functionality now. Come back here to my email. And this is 4319. And so there's that order, 5140, ready to invoice. I was clicking on invoice that takes us to the body and allows you to manually invoice. I did that with 4343, a Michelle user. I'm actually going to do an email right now. And let me select, say, a PDF. And let's go ahead and attach that PDF and do a send. Now, Suman, that OCR process is on auto, so it's automatically going to be.
So we have the vendor portal we have has a batch job which listens on an email at an email or at a folder for all incoming supplier invoices, and then it matches against various available templates, which then can be parsed into compared with the PO and automatically creates the invoice for you.
So there it is, right there. PO 5140 has been submitted, and I'm going to refresh this screen. Now it's been queued. So this is the status is representing inside the portal, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And then if we do it, waiting for receipts. So that 5140, if we go back to our batch jobs here, Suman, is it history?
Yes.
So there it is right there. So explain what, and this is like a third-party OCR software that we embedded.
Yeah, it's OCR. So our platform supports OCR. Those are services, one of the services you have. And basically, this is where I just talked about. It's listening for incoming supplier PDF, which you can be scanning, paper invoices to it also. And then it basically creates the match that with the purchase order, and now it's ready for receive. Once you receive it, it will automatically create a voucher for it because because it's a perfect match.
All right, so let's do the last step, and let's go into enter receipts by PO, and that was 5140, and do a find on that, select it. Come here, do an option 1. And if I come back here, and once again look at the invoice status, there it is right there. It was a success. So that was received in J.D. Edwards, and I could go into J.D. Edwards and show this. You saw me do that before.